Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Ecology and Society Week 6 Assignment 6. So the first question is a hymen or marriage contract with the promise to produce a child whose seed will give rise to history and growth is known as dash. So these are the option: communal ownership, contractual marriage, translation, contract, none of these. So let's check the answer of our first question. So question first, translation contract defined as hymen or marriage contract with the promise to produce a child whose seed will give rise to history and growth. So the answer of our first question is C, translation contract. Now the second question is developing an ecological theory that fully integrates human ecology and social theory is posited by dash. So these are the option: communalism, paternalism, orientalism, socialism. So let's check the answer of our second question. So question second, communalism, the need to develop an ecological theory that fully integrate human ecology and social theory, abandoning any radical distinction between nature and society is often recognized nowadays. So the answer of our second question is A, communalism. Now the third question is Cartesian anxiety is best explained by which of the following? So these are the option, and let's check the answer of our third question. Question third, anxiety. Cartesian anxiety is a hope that studying the world will give us unchangeable knowledge of ourselves and the world. So the answer of our third question is C. Now the fourth question is the definition of human environmental relations by Palsone includes. So these are the option: communalism, orientalism, paternalism, all of these. So let's check the answer of our fourth question. So question fourth, conclusion. We have distinguished three kind of paradigms with respect to human environmental relation: orientalism, paternalism, and communalism. So the answer of our fourth question is D, all of these. Now the fifth question is the discourse of environmental communalism put forward that there is dash. So these are the options. And let's check the answer of our fifth question. So question fifth, this paradigm suggests generalized reciprocity in human environmental relations, invoking the notions of contingency, participation, and dialogue. So the answer of our fifth question is C. Now, the sixth question is the phrase communalism of field work means that. So, these are the options, and let's check the answer of our sixth question. So, question six, the communalism of fieldwork may be characterized as a project in which anthropologists and their host engage in meaningful reciprocal enterprises as the inhabitant of a single world. Also 1993-1995. So the answer of our sixth question is C. Now, the seventh question is the fundamental difference between environmental orientalism and paternalism is that. So, these are the options, and let's check the answer of our seventh question. So, question seven, the contrast between domination and protection with respect to the environment. The key difference between them is that while the former exploits, the latter protects. So, the answer of our seventh question is C. Now, the eighth question is in Merchant's analysis of human environmental relations, the ecocentric approach attempts to explain that. So, these are the options, and let's check the answer of our eighth question. So, question 8, Merchant 1990 suggests address the whole cosmos, assigning intrinsic value to non-human nature. So, the answer of our eighth question is C. It addresses the whole cosmos, assign intrinsic value to non-human nature. Now, the ninth question is within the environmental orientalism and paternalism rhetoric, humans are positioned as dash. So these are the options: creators of nature, slaves of nature, masters of nature, none of these. So let's check the answer of our ninth question. So question ninth, environmental orientalism suggests negative reciprocity in human environmental relations, whereas paternalism implies balanced reciprocity presum- presupposing human responsibility. In both the case, humans are masters of nature. So the answer of our ninth question is also C, masters of nature. Now the tenth question is which of the following paradigm of environmentalism make a case for a negative reciprocity between human and the environment? So these are the options: communalism, orientalism, paternalism, all of these. So let's check the answer of our tenth question. So question 10th, environmental orientalism suggests negative reciprocity in human environmental relations whereas paternalism implies balanced reciprocity. So the answer of our 10th question is B. Orientalism. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.